Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to transfer Dogecoin from your Arculus wallet to a Ledger Nano X in 2025. Whether you're looking to secure your crypto or just manage your assets better, this step-by-step process will get you there safely and efficiently. First things first, make sure you have both wallets set up and your Dogecoin ready in the Arculus app. You'll also need your Ledger Nano X connected and unlocked. Don't forget to update both devices to the latest firmware for 2025 compatibility. Let's get started. Step 1. Open your Arculus Wallet app on your mobile device. Navigate to the Dogecoin section and select the amount you want to transfer. It's crucial to double-check your balance here to avoid any surprises. Step 2. Generate or copy the receiving address from your Ledger Nano X. Plug in your Ledger. Open the Dogecoin app on it, and use the device to display your wallet address. Pro tip. Always verify the address on the Ledger screen to prevent any phishing attempts. Security is key in 2025's crypto world. Step 3. Back in the Arculus app, go to the Send or Transfer option. Paste the Ledger address carefully, enter the amount of Dogecoin, and review the transaction fees. With blockchain updates in 2025, fees might be lower, but keep an eye on network congestion. Step 4. Confirm the transaction. You'll need to approve it on both devices. Arculus might require a PIN, and Ledger will ask for confirmation on its screen. Once done, sit back and wait for the network to process it, which could take a few minutes depending on Dogecoin's speed. Finally, once the transfer is complete, check your Ledger Nano X to confirm the Dogecoin has arrived. If you run into issues, like a stuck transaction, reach out to the wallet support or use blockchain explorers for tracking. There you have it. That's how you securely transfer Dogecoin in 2025. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video.